If I die, this egg will bring me back to life.
My house!
You better not mess this up again. If everything goes south, you throw him to hell.
Yes, Mama.
Today we are in the woods where a Sasquatch prowls and uses these trees as his toothpicks to get the meat from the goats he eats out of his teeth. He pulls down these trees and then pees all over them in an attempt to cover up the tree pulling downing. These are just puddles and puddles of pee. He's very dehydrated. These are one of those pits of pee that the Sasquatch has returned to pee on many occasions. We know that this is a popular route of his because of this deep, deep trench of urine. Here is a male and a female duck fleeing from the scene of the Bigfoot because they did not want to be sacrificed and eaten by him. Their children that are not here must have been a nice appetizer for the Sasquatch. Here, along this creek bed, are some Sasquatch footprints. We know these are Sasquatch footprints because they are larger than the average man's foot. And Bigfoot, as you all know, he has a big foot. These are his footprints, ready to kill. This here beaver home has been disrupted by the Sasquatch, who was probably looking for the beavers when he couldn't find them. And because he couldn't find the beavers, he made this here beaver trap to trap the beavers and eat them raw. Raw. We haven't had, I'm sorry. Haven't been very successful in finding the Sasquatch today, but we were successful in finding his beaver trap. Sasquatch from chasing us, and we found this mythical prism inside of a tree. Those mushrooms are there as a trap for the Sasquatch. We set up those mushrooms so he would be attracted for a nice afternoon snack so we could catch him in this here trap for the Sasquatch. This is a rug. This here was once a bridge. It would have connected that path with this path. But the Sasquatch, that greedy old thing, brought down the bridge so nobody would come find his habitat that he lives in for eternity. What does this mean?